So today we have glamorous Yasmin in, and you are in because you're having a bridal package, everything,
yeah,
and you're gonna look absolutely spectacular.
We hope.
For your wedding. No pressure. I want to upload your wedding pictures.
Yeah.
Before and after, that would be amazing.
Definitely.
So tell me, Yasmin, what are your main concerns with your face? What would you like to improve?
Definitely my jawline. I definitely want something like more contoured, a lot more like Beyonce vibes, kind of like that. Definitely my nose as well. I'd like something a lot more narrow and more defined.
Awesome. And the chin.
And the chin, yeah, definitely the chin.
You can see it's a very cute chin, very round face. We want to make it. We want to make it a lot more balanced, a lot more beautiful.
Yes, yeah.
Amazing, amazing. To go with your lovely big eyes, you've got gorgeous shaped eyes, and it's such a prominent feature. So we want to maintain that. We're going to give you a bit more definition into the zygoma here. Give you a nice zygomatic arch projection. Define the mandibular here, the jawline, and give you a more demarcated face. I would probably suggest before your wedding just get a bit more fat dissolving in the chin if it doesn't look as good after we've done filler, just in case. But we'll see how it looks after the filler. After filler, it might look really nice and contoured.
Yes.
But yeah, just a bit here. I think the chin, when we're doing projection inferiorly of the mentalis, this will hide it pretty well anyway.
Yeah.
And what else would you need? So we're going to do a bit into the lips, and then nose. Create a nice, beautiful, defined nasal.
And Botox.
And the Botox, yeah. There's a frown. Yep. So proceus, you want to inject into proceus muscle, and then the corrugators as well. Awesome. Okay, you ready?
Oh, ready.
How come every time a woman wanna know where I'm at? You know it's all good with me. And how come every time I hear another woman from the back, then she knows what's up with me. And every time I try to leave, something keeps pulling me back, telling me I need you. Too evil wanna me. I don't wanna leave, nah.
So we've done the left side of the face. You can see even when you look up for me, you can see here the depression under the eyes, the deepness of the nasolabial fold. Look how much more smoother the eye is here. And then look on this side of the cheek, compare it to this side. Now we've got so much more definition in the cheekbone. And your jawline was the hardest to bring out. It was just swallowing the filler. So we used the cannula, we went superficially. This is all settled. Right now it looks all a bit sore and lumpy, but once that settles, you're gonna have that shape. And if you look here, the face basically just blends into the neck. But the problem was it was such a weak mandible, it's almost impossible to get out. So we put about 4 mils, 4.5, I think, just across here. We haven't started the chin yet, but come and take a look in the mirror.
Okay. Oh wow, that's amazing. That's so good. I've never actually seen like a definition of my jaw before, so that's mental. It's so good.
So at the moment, obviously, it's really exaggerated. It will soften, but what we want to be left with is that nice shadow.
Yeah. Wow, that's so insane. That's so good. Thank you. Yeah.
Awesome. And then look at your eyes as well. So if you look at
such a massive difference.
Yeah, you can.
I never really noticed my eyes before as well, but yeah, I can see the difference.
Yeah, see here it's just a little bit more tired, and you can see the lines going across. Whereas here, it's nice and smooth.
Yeah, definitely. And it looks naturally like contoured as well.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so good.
And then look, when you smile, look at your level of depression here compared to there.
Yeah. Wow, that's really good.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Big one's gonna be the chin. They're gonna be here for like 3 days or something.
Oh my God.
All right. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. To this side again, so now the connection's better. All right, take a look.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh my God. That's mental, isn't it? Wow. That is so crazy. It's like completely defined. Wow. Can't believe it. It's so mad.
You got a cheekbone there.
That is so good. Especially the cheeks. I love here.
What do you think of the lips?
Really good. Like not too big, natural. Cupid's bow, which I wanted. Yeah.
Awesome.
Happy.
Look at the side projection. Look how it now comes out more. You need the chin.
Yeah.